Hello everyone, Gis here. Welcome to this third video in a series on painting the Tabletop world's cottage. In this episode, I'll explain the simple step to painting the plaster and how to add stains and mold to accentuate the decrepit appearance of the building. In the previous episodes of this series, I painted the wooden surface inside the building and the slate roof. If you'd like to see these videos, make sure to have a look at my Painting the Tabletop World Cottage playlist. Alright, the first thing that needs to be done is give the wall a good base coat. I'm gonna paint the wall next to the fireplace in Vallejo Pale Grey Blue and the other walls with Ripper MSP Pale Lichen. Feel free to use whatever color or brand you prefer. When the paint is completely dry, I mix equal parts of the Army Painter Dark Tone Quick Shade and Quick Shade Wash Mixing Medium. I apply this mix mainly in the cracks and where the wall is damaged. This will bring all the texture out and make the walls look older. Then, when the quick shade is completely dry, I do a dry brushing with the same color I use for the base coat. After, I mix the base coat colors with beige or creamy ivory and do another dry brushing mostly at the center of the large surfaces and next to the main fissures. Next, I shade some areas of the walls with Citadel Agrax Earthshade. I also had some under the windows to create stains caused by water infiltration. For the final touch, I texture some spots on the walls with Ripper MSP Olive Drab to give the impression they are covered in mold. I think these simple weathering effects help accentuate the deteriorated appearance of the building. This concludes the third painting session on this charming cottage. If you enjoyed it, a like would be greatly appreciated. In the next video, I'll be painting the stone walls and the chimney, so stick around and subscribe to the channel to make sure you won't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching everyone, and until next time, keep on painting and take care.